Front desk concierge. I would like to make a compliment to the concierge staff, Gloria. She's helpful and detail-minded. Always tried very hard to fulfill customers' needs. She always carries a smile on her face which make me feel warm. As I traveled with 4 elderly which are over 70s, Gloria tried very hard to arrange rooms at the same floor so I can easily take care. Much appreciated. It was great. Was giving an upgrade to family room, however, room had a strong odor from the drain pipe at the sinks. Told them and they had someone confirmed it and changed us to another room. Everything was great. The room looks bigger since the bathroom was open-spaced. With family, probably would have preferred separate bathroom. Otherwise it was a great stay. Complimentary beer and soda in fridge also. Fridge kept drinks cold. Great hospitality. I'm impressed by the unique design and decoration of this hotel. Staff are very courteous, friendly and helpful. Comfortable, spacious, clean room. Breakfast spread does not have much variety but tastes good. The setup of the dining area is cozy and relaxing to have a meal. There are convenience stores and eateries nearby. About 10 minutes walk to Taipei Arena Station, a gem of a hotel. arTree is beyond my expectations as the room is super nice and big with a lovely bathtub and view on a higher level. The breakfast is very tastefully and professionally presented. Best of all, allowing guests to have access to free coffee and tea at the reception level is a bonus. The only suggestion for improvement is perhaps some form of privacy in the form of blinds be provided in the toilet and bathroom so that someone else using the wash basin area could still enter without having to intrude on the privacy of someone using the toilet or bathroom. The MRT is only 5 to 7 minutes walk away on the opposite side of the hotel in the direction of the stadium, and the morning market is also such a pleasant place to wander for fruits, food and local atmosphere. Overall a very good spot in this part of Taipei. Wish they could offer a cheaper price for guests to use the hot spring bath. Clean and spacious room is big and staff is friendly. Good to be back again. Had a great stay in 2018 and 6 years later, am back in Taipei and the hotel is just as amazing. Location was perfect, cleanliness of the room is top-notch, friendly staff and value for money. Highly recommend the arTree. Nice hotel. Nice service. Although I have so difficult requests, hotel staff are willing to give help and arrange. Nice decorations and comfortable room. Hotel is near train station and many restaurants nearby. It's very convenient.